Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed different ways for having the same amount of money. In this video we will learn how to add money. Today our topic is addition of money. Money can also be written in decimals. For example, an amount of rupees 2 and 50 paisa will be written as rupees 2.50. I repeat, an amount of rupees 2 and 50 paisa will be written as rupees 2.50. There are 2 rupees and 50 paisas. It means rupees 2 and 50 paisas make rupees 2.50 or 2 rupees and 50 paisas. We can add and subtract the money amounts in rupees and paisas. Now we will learn how to add money. As there are rupees column on the left side of decimal and on the right side of decimal there is paisas column. Small t shows tenths and small h shows hundreds. What is it? Repeat it with me. Hundreds. And on the left side of decimal there is U. It denotes units column. And T, tens column. As we start from the right side, we will start adding hundreds and it is denoted by small h. In the hundreds column there is 0 and 0. In both the numbers there is 0. So we will add 0 and 0. If we add 0, we get 0. Now we will add tens. Tens is denoted by small t. And in tens column there is 3 and 1. We will add 3 and 1. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3. In 3 we will add 1. It makes 4. If we add 3 and 1 we get 4. We will write 4 in tens column. Same place value written in the same vertical line. And the decimal point must be aligned according to the place value. Now we will add units. In units column there is 8 and 2. We have to add 8 and 2. Let's count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 we will add 2. 9, 10. In 10 there is 0 unit and 1 10. We will write 0 in units column and we will carry forward 1 to tens. Now we will add tens column. In tens column there is 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, what we will get? Let's count the shapes to add the numbers. 1. In 1 we will add 2. 2, 3. We will write 3 in tens column. The decimal point is aligned according to the place value. On the left side there is 30. It shows there are 30 rupees. There are 30 rupees. And on the right side it shows paisas. What it shows? Paisas. And how many paisas are there? There are 40 paisas. How many paisas are there? There are 40 paisas. If we add 28 rupees and 30 paisas and 2 rupees and 10 paisas, we get 30 rupees and 40 paisas. In this video we have discussed how to add money. In the next video we will learn subtraction of money. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.